Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indian Herbal and Ayurvedic Remedies. I am with you, Protein. Friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to make facial cream and facial gel at home. That is homemade facial cream and facial gel. Now friends, this video will be very useful for you. Facial cream and gel. Now if you make it at home, it will be very economical and it's very easy to make. Now aloe vera is one of the main ingredients of facial cream and gel at home. Now you can prepare this aloe vera gel at home. Recently I have uploaded a video on this, then how you can prepare aloe vera gel with gelatin. I will give you the link in my description box and you can watch it. Now friends, facial is something that is related to facial strokes. Now the secret of a good facial is applying proper facial strokes. Now look, we have numerous nerve points underneath our skin on our face. Now if you apply proper facial strokes, it improves, it activates the nerve points and it improves the blood circulation underneath our skin, and thus it makes our face glowing. It also gives nutrient to our skin. Now this also we have uploaded a video. I will give you the link that how to do facial step by step. Now friends, again this cream and gel is suitable for all skin types. You don't have to bother that wonder that which cream will you use for your skin or what is your skin type. It is suitable for all skin types and even for very sensitive skin. Now those who have very sensitive skin can without doubt use this. Again friends, after facial you have to apply the face pack. Now the face cream or gel, after applying the facial, whatever amount is left behind, you use it as a pack. You can use it as a pack and get the desired results. So friends, let's move on and see how we can prepare this. Okay friends, first we will be making the facial cream. For that we have taken 1.5 tablespoon of hanged yogurt. To that we are adding 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Now you have to add 1 teaspoon of pure honey. Now you have to mix all these 3 ingredients very well. Now about aloe vera gel friends, you can use aloe vera gel prepared at home. We have uploaded a video on this and the link will be given in the description box. Mix all these ingredients very well and your facial cream is ready. Now friends, apply this cream on your face and massage for about 15 minutes. Then wash off. Then again friends, the cream that remains after massaging, you can use this as a pack after massage pack. Now we will be making the facial gel. For that we are taking 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Add to it 1 teaspoon of pure honey. Now add to it 2 vitamin E capsules. Now mix all these ingredients very well. Now friends, you have to apply this on your face and massage for about 15 minutes and then wash off. And again, the gel that remains after massaging, you can use it as a face pack. That also you have to apply and keep it for about 15 minutes and then wash off. It can be used as an after facial pack. So friends, these two videos will help you a lot in preparing homemade facial cream and gel. Thank you for watching my video and keep watching my videos. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like and share.